Test guys, outdoors. I'm actually outdoors. That's the stool. It's way back for me. Let's play something in Glasgow. This is the 1% of volume. Loud. Not that. I don't know if you can hear it. It's half volume. Yeah, some deep things actually, or I don't know why. I was videoing and yeah, that guy came from. There's a lot of flies coming up. I wish I had a tripod, right? I'm gonna zoom in there. It's right there, that little thing. From behind a rocky mountain. Let's try max volume. Okay, fine. I'm gonna try max volume because someone is sleeping. Let's try max volume on nighttime.